One fine, lo fine. One dumb or not dying. What happened? Such a beaut. Wow, check it out. Yalla, yeah, anybody. That D1. Me mag share anybody. Give.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and if this is your first time, you're definitely welcome. Do you guys like my hair? I know you do. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this jumbo knotless box braid Diera inspired. If you guys don't know Diera is from, she's a YouTuber, and Diera DK4L, something like that. Yeah, her and her boyfriend Ken does like YouTube videos, so I think she did this and everybody's doing it. I really like how it looks. It's very efficient, it's really easy, like it's very fast. I think I made this within like 3 hours, I don't know. Yeah, but it's really easy. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beautiful hair, and also I'm gonna put the links of everything I used down below. And yeah, but before we get into this video, please guys do not forget to subscribe, like, share, do all that. What else? Turn on your notification. Yeah, I think that's everything. And also really want you guys to try it out. It's like summer inspired, summer hair. It's really easy and it's really pretty. Do you guys like it? I'm feeling this look, so I know you guys would like it too. Please do not forget to subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Guys, to start this tutorial, I'll be using my leave-in air conditioner to massage my hair thoroughly. I also use my hair cream to massage my hair before starting this video. I just part my hair into sections so it can be very easy for me to work with, as I cannot see from the back. I know my hands are not straight, but trust me guys, it's not obvious when I was done with the hair. It's not obvious at all. I'll be using my rubber band to hold my hair down. I'm just using this rubber band because it's kind of easy for me to work with. But then I took them out as I was braiding the hair. You guys gonna see that in a bit. I really just part the hair how I wanted them to look, but you guys can have fun with it and just do whatever you want. It will still come out very fine. Look at me feeling myself because I'm fine, eh? Fine girl, more fine. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe. It's really important to subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this video so far, please click on the like and like this video. So I'm gonna be using this jumbo 3x jumbo braids. I got it from my beauty store. I'm gonna try to put the link of where you can get it, maybe AliExpress or Amazon. In a pack there's like three packs in it, and I kind of use 1.5 altogether. I got 2, but I used 1.5 because they were actually very full and they work. So now I'm just putting more hair cream on my hair because I like when I use a lot of hair cream. It kind of makes the hair very tight and it holds the hair down. For me personally, my hair is very fragile, so you can't really do too much in it because it's gonna break like so fast. As you guys can see already, I removed my rubber band when I was about braiding my hair. For me, I prefer to part the hair into 3 sections and then braid the hair first before adding my extensions. After you braid your hair for about 3 times, you then take your extensions and put it behind your hair, just like you see in this video. This would help your hair not to slip, and also this is the purpose of a knotless braid, right? Keep repeating this by adding more extensions to it. I hope you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. I feel like I'm just blabbing, but the good news is I repeated this tutorial multiple times in this video so you guys can understand and see what I'm saying. Okay. I'll stop talking now and we'll let you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe. I got these silver rings from my beauty store. I really do not like the beads everyone kind of use, but I'm gonna be using this one instead. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back. Everything, but I realized that it wasn't enough, but I don't want to spend so much money on them. Like it's like $1.50 for just one pack. I'm like, I'm not spending that much money on it. But anyway, anywho, this is how they look after. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share this video to your friends and your family. And also, you guys can try this out. Let me know if you guys end up trying this out, or if you're gonna try this out. Let me know. It's really easy, and it's like summer vibes kind of look. It's not expensive. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye.